Hello everyone, welcome to part 101 of Laravel 10 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website. So we will start working on the product detail page. Okay, so in this video we are going to convert HTML product detail HTML to the Laravel blade file. Okay, so I'm going to show you like we have done so far the home page as well as the listing page with all the features, and now we are going to merge the detail page. Okay, going to embed the detail page HTML. So this is our template. I hope that every one of you downloaded the template, but if you have not downloaded the template, then you can get it free by taking the few steps. Okay, so once again, for the new users, I'm telling you that just 5 minutes of task that you can take to download the template. Okay, so this Laravel 10 website you will not get anywhere. Okay, so this is the latest website used by most of the top brands. Okay, so you can go in community, and here I have already explained these steps. Okay, you can see the steps here. See here, steps to get free template and filter JS file. Okay, so these are some of the basic steps that you are required to take. Give 5-star rating at this link. Share the below post in your Facebook timeline. Anywhere you can show, you can just post in your Facebook anywhere. Okay, so you just required to like Facebook page, and you are just required to join the Facebook group, and you are just like and comment on Laravel 10 video. That's it. Okay, only these 5 steps that you are required to take. Okay, to get the free template, as well as you will get the filtered JS file that you will not get anywhere with the advanced filters. So after downloading the template, HTML template, just you are required to go to this product detail page. Here it is, product detail. Okay, so I'm going to move it. I'm going to show you first of all that how it looks. Okay, so see, this one is the product detail page that we are merged. We are going to merge it in our Laravel e-commerce website that we are building in Laravel 10. Okay, so this is the page. You can see the zoom feature is also included. Okay, so beautiful zoom feature you can see is also included in this, and you can see the color sizes. Okay, and here you can update the quantity as well, and here see description, video and reviews, everything is there. This is the complete product detail page. Okay, so we are going to start working on this one, and in this video we are going to merge this design. We are going to convert this HTML page to our Laravel blade file. Okay, so let's start. This is the product detail. I'm going to first get it from our template. Here I'm going to move it here. Okay, so first thing is I'm going to create the route for it. Okay, like we have created the route for earlier for the index as well as the listing as well. Okay, so I'm going to create the route for the detail page as well. Okay, so here I'm going to add it here straight away in the front routes. Okay, this one we will not touch. This one is the admin route, and I'm going to add it here in our front routes. Okay, so I'm going to add it here. Here I'm going to write here product detail page. It's better to add the comments wherever you want. You can add the comments so that in future it will help you. So here I'm going to add here route, get route we are going to add for the product detail, and here I'm going to give the URL like product slash, and then the ID will come for ID. I'm going to give it ID is mandatory. Okay, so we are going to give it like this, and after that product controller, where we are going to create the detail function as well. Here I'm going to give it detail function. Okay, so this function we are going to create inside the product controller. So here it's inside the front. Here I'm going to add the new function, public function detail. Okay, and here I'm going to create the blade file, return view. I'm going to create the blade file under front, under products, and then we'll create the detail blade file. Okay, so I'm going to show you that we are going to create the that blade file resources, views, front, products. Okay, so we have other files as well, listing, filtered, ajax products listing, and here one another file we are going to create here. Okay, so I'm going to create here the detail blade file as well. Okay, so here I'm going to create detail. Okay, I'm going to create it like this, then we'll rename the file to detail.blade.php in Windows. I hope that you know that how you can create the new file. You are just required to right click and create new notepad file, and then you can rename that file there in Windows as well. Okay, in Mac I'm just doing it. I have added the plugin to add the new file. Okay, otherwise you can add the file with the touch command, and or you can simply copy paste any of the file and then rename that file and delete the content. So there are a few ways of adding the file. So now I'm going to open this file here, detail.plate.php file. First thing is that we are required to add the front design into this file. So for that I'm going to add it extends front layout, that layout that we have already added this layout earlier on in this series, and here then at the rate of section content. Okay, and this one we are going to end section. See, this one we have also added in the index as well as the listing bed file. You can just check that. See, front layout, that's fine. Front layout, section content, and then after that we are going to close. So like we have done with the other, see, app content, the middle portion of the product detail page we are going to copy and will paste in the detail blade file like we have done in index, as well as in the listing blade file that we have created so far. Here also you can see the app content, okay, in the middle portion. This one we have added later for the pagination, but app content is the part that we are required to add here. See, header footer we are going to get from the layout.blade.php file. So this is the layout.blade.php file where we will get the header and footer. Just the middle content vary from page to page, and that we are going to add here. So here this is the, I think, app content. This is not the content. Okay, header. Header we are not going to put the, and yeah, this one is footer. So this one is the app content. So we are going to copy this one. I'm going to copy and we'll paste it inside the detail blade file. And here we have added, and now I'm going to just align it. Okay, like this, and our content is copied. Okay, so now we can check there, but before that we are required to I'm going to open this one, and here we are going to provide the link. See, we have not added any link. It is going to the product detail.html, so linking is required. So we are going to open here Ajax product listing where we have the product loop. Okay, product for each loop you can see, and here we need to replace this product detail HTML with the URL, actual URL that we have just created, route product detail route, that is the product. Okay, after that the ID of that product. Okay, and simply we will add it like this, and then dot, then the product ID dollar product, and that ID. Okay, like this we will simply add this, and now we are going to check from the listing page whether we are able to open. So I'm going to show all the products here because so that's why we can select any of the product. Okay, so I want more products now. Okay, I just add the 30 products so that we can select the desired product. So I'm going to open the red t-shirt here, and you can see here the page is opening. Okay, you can see the page is opening, detail page is opening, but images are not coming. And for the images to come, we are going to set the path here. Okay, this one, and I'm going to set it so that we will check that whether the product detail page in Laravel is same, exactly same like we have seen in the HTML. Okay, set, and front we will just correct the path here, and also .png we will select all and just will end it like this. Okay, so we are going to check here. Yes, now it seems to be fine. Okay, you can see it seems to be fine here, and the zoom is also working. You can see we able to change the images as well, and here everything is coming fine, and you can see the sizes are coming, the colors are coming. So our complete page, you can see, you can compare with the static page, static HTML page, with this one, that is the Laravel blade. Okay, we able to convert the static HTML page to the Laravel blade. Okay, so now our product detail page is ready, means statically ready in Laravel website. Now in the next video we are going to start making it dynamic. Okay, see product zoom, we are going to show the dynamic image here from the admin panel, and here the product name, price, everything we are going to update dynamically from the admin panel. Okay, so one by one we are going to update this product detail page. So stay tuned for the next video in which we are going to add product zoom. Okay, dynamic product image, product name, prices, availability, product description as well. Okay, so lot more things we are going to do. So stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.